This is Urban by Baldocer Cerámica, Spain, an interior matte-glazed ceramic wall tile collection that comes in 3 low-maintenance variants: Urban Taupe Smooth, Urban Ivory Smooth, and Tesla Urban Taupe 3D Décor Tile. Seen here in Tesla Urban Taupe 3D Décor Tile variant, the shade itself works wonders for home interiors across all styles and tastes, while the 3D finish helps to create walls where elegant facets, designer textures, and the interplay of light and shadow result in a unique and vibrant sculptural effect. Use the eco-friendly Urban Smooth tile variants in either taupe or ivory on bathroom, bedroom, and kitchen walls for a warm and neutral palette. Their velvety-smooth matte finishes offer a high shade variation and rectified edges for a super sleek transition with almost no visible joins. Urban is a tile collection that's guaranteed to remain extremely versatile and timelessly popular. Whether you're looking for a backdrop to showcase bold decor or merely prefer subdued surroundings, it will add both simplicity and sophistication to any type of interior, and is a lesson in serenity as well as a tactile delight.